Umunthi we muthenyani ula Kenya mevathite kumalilikana ala matiiwe ni thayu mokoni maovisa ma volisi ila amuika majenzi matwaiisye maandamano ma miatianio mivyu yakuleana na mutalatala wa kinandu wa mwaka wa 2024 maundu ma na biasala musyini wa ilovi ni makwatana kana ni makwa maitina wa maovisa ma volisi kuvinga malelo onthe alama likilete musyini wa ilovi kabindane kiwa Atongoi kivathukan'yo Mutongoi ni Mutongoi wa chama cha Patriotic Front Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ni makwatiania na amwe maandu ma Misyi ala maisye thayu kuthi kwiy'a malanza wa mbunge nene wala ingimo methiiwe ni kana mathiiwe ni maovisa ma volisi. Kalonzo ainena na andiki ma mogoya ase kana muthenya uni wa bata muno kumalilikana ala meyumilitie mateukia kukitia akisyo bala wathana kana ethi wakosa Utongoi mwaka ukite akaikithia muthenya uni wa twaiwa kwa uu na bateme bengesano na maovisa ma volisi
kati wa musi wa ilovi malelu matengali machuka namo mavingitwe kuma masane maki okumuvaka mawiyo ona kuchika ni muthenya ula Akenya mevangite kumalilikana amuika majenzi na ala matiiwe ni mathayu mo nendini wa maandamano ma matuko 25 mwini wa thanthatu mwaka wa 2024 na utalo munini wa nende umile katikati wa musi wa ilovi kusi wa misembanyo ya vana vaya kati wa maovisa ma volisi na enendi. Kithitoni cha kumalilikana Akenya ala maisye mathayu mome maandamanoni mathukitia agisyo Tongoi cia Ulei Tongoi ni Mutongoi wa chama cha Kalonzo Musyoka atateima kisya enendi memwamba na andu ma Misyi ila yaisye Endwa mo ni matambuka mbungeni ya kati kwiy'a malamo kumalilikana na vala ukulyo wo munene kwa serikali nithikithie kana aki ni yakwatikana.
Yangu ni kusema the killer cops kama message yangu venye nasema compensation cannot replace accountability. Arrest the killer cops. That's the message to the government. Asanteni.
12 mimi ama sisi tunataka justice. Tafadhali Mr. President, tunataka justice. Nataka kuona serikali aliyeua mtoto wangu angalau nitamsamehe. Kini ndiye nataka justice. Nataka kuona huyo mtu. Hata sitasema afungwe afanywe nini, lakini nataka kumuona.
Mahali alikuwa nisaidia. Tunaomba serikali justice wafanye kazi yake. Kuzo matoza watu tufanye nini? Tunataka justice kwa serikali. Asante.
Mutongoi wa chama cha Kalonzo Musyoka iweta kana muthenya munene kwa nthi ya Kenya akethi waka kwata ivuso ya kutongwesya nthi no akaikithia muthenya ni watwika muthenya wi mwanya wa kumalilikana Kenya ala ameyumilie kukitia akisyo.
I think we are witnesses to the fact that this is a most successful public holiday because of the police barricading, so people could not come to places of work. And so on our part, we commit that when we take over next year, God willing, we shall formalize this day to be a proper public holiday, complete with the points that the Gen Zs have actually highlighted in the 6-point agenda.
Togo ingi ni ila si miatianoni ino ni siya weta kana unagotwika serikali ni yende na kumaiva alama kwiy'a na kuumia mokoni ma volisi vena vata maovisa ala mekoni siye koni ithi moswe matambia mai makimiao.
All these barricades are meant to make sure that nobody comes here, nobody comes to the media, so that the government can hide behind the compensation they have given. Compensation is fine, but no money can buy any life. We must press for justice for those who were killed. The police officers and anybody who was involved must be taken and prosecuted.
We thank all those Kenyans who are at home today, who are peacefully and with their families remembering and honoring their heroes. That too is a very special way of honoring. In fact, you have made this day a public holiday against the wishes of this very government that killed your children.
Tilivotia vilingi wa movo nitoa mwaka mweu.